Namaste, welcome to LG Cookery Classes. Okay, today I will show you how to make chicken kebab with zero oil. Okay, I marinate the chicken, half kg chicken of 2 spoon of kebab powder, grilled high rack I use. Keep in the high rack. Top of this, place this non-stick pan. Go for combination or charcoal. If you have charcoal mode, press 1, press start twice. It will be 35 minutes. Then reduce to 20 minutes because of it's a less quantity. So 20. Keep it to 20 minutes. And start. 20 minutes is done. See, so all this is crunchy also, inside juiciness also. So done perfectly. Juicy inside, outside crispy. This is a charcoal technology. Thank you so much.